Hi guys! Ever wonder why some creators upload a video and it instantly blows up while yours feels like it's invisible? The difference isn't always better content, it's better SEO. That's right, YouTube SEO hacks can literally be the difference between 50 views and 50,000 views. Today, I'll reveal the best SEO strategies you can start using immediately to get discovered, rank higher in search, and finally grow your channel. Welcome back to Tutorial Masterclass, your home for real YouTube growth strategies, monetization hacks, and proven success tips. If you're serious about growing your channel, make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, hit that like button, and drop a comment below so we can connect. Now let's dive in. Number 1, keyword-rich titles and descriptions. Your video title is your first SEO weapon. Use keywords people actually search for, like how to grow on YouTube in 2025 instead of just my YouTube tips. Pair that with a detailed description that naturally includes your keywords 2 to 3 times. Think of your title and description like a neon sign telling YouTube, hey, here's exactly what this video is about. Number 2, power of tags and channel keywords. Tags might not be as powerful as they used to be, but they still help YouTube understand your video. Use a mix of broad terms like YouTube growth and long-tail keywords like how to get more subscribers in 2025, and don't forget your channel keywords in the backend settings. These help YouTube categorize your entire channel so you show up in the right searches. Number 3, thumbnails and CTR hacks. SEO isn't just about words, it's about clicks. Your thumbnail and title together create your click-through rate, or CTR, which directly impacts how much YouTube recommends your video. Use bold, short text on thumbnails, high contrast colors, and a design that instantly makes viewers curious. Remember, if no one clicks, SEO won't save you. Number 4, watch time and retention signals. YouTube SEO doesn't stop at getting clicks, it continues once people hit play. Watch time and audience retention are like hidden SEO hacks because they tell YouTube, this video is valuable, show it to more people. To boost retention, use strong hooks, cut out fluff, add pattern interrupts, and deliver value all the way to the end. And number 5, engagement as an algorithm trigger. Here's another hack: engagement. Comments, likes, and shares aren't just vanity, they're signals. When YouTube sees people interacting, it assumes the content is worth recommending. That's why smart creators encourage comments with questions, polls, or calls to action. Every little tap matters in the eyes of the algorithm. So, the best YouTube SEO hacks boil down to keyword-rich titles and descriptions, smart use of tags, CTR-boosting thumbnails, high retention watch time, and driving engagement. Put these together and your videos won't just exist, they'll get discovered. Now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest SEO trick you've tried so far on your channel? Drop it in the comments below and let's share strategies. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass, smash that like button, and share this with a fellow creator who needs it. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating, keep ranking, and keep growing.